In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format text in Trello so you can make your card descriptions and comments look clean, organized, and professional. Whether you want to bold important details, add bullet points, or structure your tasks clearly, Trello makes it simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through everything step by step. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software guides. Let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello. Log into your account, and from your dashboard, head over to your Boards page. This is where all your Trello boards are stored. Click on the board where you want to format text. It can be an existing project board or a new one you've just created. Once you're inside the board, click on any card where you want to add or edit formatted text. This will open the Card Details panel. Inside the card, you'll see different sections like Members, Labels, Checklist, Due dates, and most importantly for this tutorial, the description area. Locate the description section and click on Edit. This opens the text editor where you can start typing your content. Now this is where the formatting magic happens. At the top of the description box, you'll see a formatting toolbar. This toolbar allows you to change text styles quickly without needing to remember any special markdown shortcuts. Start by typing your description. If you want to make certain text stand out, highlight the words and click the bold option in the toolbar. This is perfect for deadlines, key instructions, or important notes. If you want to emphasize something slightly less strongly, select the text and choose Italic. You can also create bullet points to organize information clearly. This works great for listing tasks, steps, or requirements. Simply click the bullet list option in the toolbar and start typing your list items. Press Enter to add additional points. If you prefer numbered steps, you can use the numbered list option instead, which is especially helpful for process-based tasks. Trello also allows you to add headings to structure longer descriptions. Use larger heading styles for section titles and smaller ones for subsections. This makes your card much easier to scan, especially when working in teams. If you want to insert a link, highlight the text you want to turn into a hyperlink and click the link icon in the toolbar. Paste your URL and confirm. This is useful for attaching Google Docs, external resources, or reference websites directly inside the card description. Once you're happy with your formatted text, click the Save button. Your description will now appear neatly formatted inside the card. Everything will remain structured, bolded, italicized, or listed exactly as you set it. Now, here's something many people overlook. You can do the same formatting inside the comment section of the card. Scroll down to the Activity or Comments area, click into the comment box, and you'll notice similar formatting options. This is extremely helpful when leaving structured feedback, progress updates, or detailed instructions for team members. Using formatted comments can make collaboration much clearer. For example, you can bold action items, create check-style bullet lists, or add links to supporting material. This keeps communication organized instead of cluttered. And that's it. That's how you format text in Trello using the built-in editor. As you can see, it only takes a few clicks to transform plain text into clean, professional, and easy-to-read content. Formatting your cards properly can dramatically improve team clarity and productivity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.